Without self-confidence, even the strongest person can feel weak. That was Hadi, a shy man who worked quietly in his uncle's shop. He was kind and honest, but too afraid to speak. People called him useless. One day, his uncle left him in charge and everything went wrong. He gave wrong measures, got cheated, and was scolded badly. Broken and ashamed, Hadi sat alone by a well, thinking he was a failure. Then Guruji, a wise old man, sighed. Confidence doesn't come from being perfect, it comes from trying again. He gave Hadi a challenge. Talk to 5 strangers in the market. Hadi was scared, but he tried. Day by day, Guruji gave him small tasks, helping children cross the road, speaking kindly, asking questions. Each word made Hadi stronger. Finally, he faced his uncle and decided, he made mistakes, but he wanted to learn. This time, his voice didn't shake. Weeks later, Hadi ran the shop with pride. When a customer asked, "Are you the owner?" he smiled, "Not yet, but maybe one day." Confidence isn't born, it's built, one small step at a time. Believe you can, and that's where change begins.